It's your boy Trader Eddie from downtown. It's a morning. I would like to review one of the trades that we took yesterday and show you a result of what happened on that trade. This is step index, and actually one of the best strategy you can use to trade these step indexes or some of these synthetic indices. Talking about volatility 75 step index, and to remind you, the when you trade the step index, people are asking about the lot size. Why can't we trade with a 0.01? But now, let me emphasize on this. A step index, the list of the lot size start with 0.1, and each point counts for $1. Okay, each point increase or increment counts for $1. Okay, let's get to the chart. We have here our daily resistance. Like, as you can see, I have marked here daily resistance. Price has tested it several times and got rejected. So when we came yesterday, we saw price pushing up on this nice trend line. And actually, on 1 minute time frame, one of the good benefit of trading these synthetic indices, you can trade with the least with the lower time frames as low as possible, but offering you a very tight spread on the same at the same time. And at the same time, so it's on 1 minute. I still have tight spread, and I'm not worried about widespread. Okay, so we saw this trend line going up, making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. When this little trend line, when price moved this at this level or zone right here, I saw a formation of another trend. Okay, as you can see, price was creating high highs and higher lows. So what I did at first, I drew my trend line tool over here. I think you can see it clearly, guys. Okay, I drew it over here. So what was I expecting? I was expecting for a break on that little trend line that would give me a break on this major trend line that we have drawn here. So I was expecting when this trend line break, that will result to the break of this major one that we have been seeing for some time. Okay, so I was expecting it will break and hold, and price respect this resistance zone and trade below it for us to give for it to give us a short entry. So at first, guys, the trend did break. This trend did break. So when it broke, I waited for it to come to retest, and it was at this level. And I said, okay, let me take a shot at this level, believing that price will think down. Price will think. And I put my stop loss just above this double top, you see. And I was aiming at this level at 1:5, along just 1:5. But unfortunately, it didn't go my way. And that's okay. The main trend line that I had drew, that has been in place for some time, it did broke, but then it pushed back. So this was a fake breakout. And when it pushed back, it went. It was a bad news for me, and it took away my stop. It stopped me out. So it's okay, guys. It's okay to be wrong. It's nothing wrong to be wrong, as long as you have a good risk management. And I was only risking $1 in this trade. And you can imagine, I'm trading on 1 minute time frame, but I can risk $1. That's a good thing about these synthetic indices, especially the the step index. Now, when this took me out, look here again. It kept on forming another minor trend line, moving in high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, higher lows. And it also went here to make this higher high. So I took my trend instrument tool and drew here, okay, another trend. And I was expecting at any moment, if this minor trend will break and retest, then it will result to a break of this major trend line that we have been seeing. Let me tell you, this was another shot that I would like to give. But if I am going to be wrong in this one setup, then that's going to be the end of my day. I'll quit trading for the next time, okay? So indeed, it did broke. As you can see, price came along this place and it broke this minor trend line right here. Okay, so when I had this, I said, okay, if it broke right here, then I have to wait for price to retest. As you can see, these three candles, 1, 2, 3 doji candles, this created a sort of balance, and price created the imbalance. So we need to see this imbalance be filled before price could further go back down. So I took my box tool and so I identify this level as one of my interest level where I can risk, okay? A level where I can risk. And I knew if at all I have to take a trade, then I'll just risk above this level. And of course, price did me a favor. It rejected this level and pushed back down. And that's when we had another entry on a short side. So when we took our selling tool here and put a stop just above this balance, price balance right here, guys, price did fall back, did fall as did fall as the analysis shows us, did fall as the strategy is telling us. And for your information, price kept on trading lower the whole night, and it was able to give us our 1 to 13 to 31, no, 1 to 31 risk reward ratio. This was it was one of the huge profit ever made on this week through using this strategy, trading the step index or synthetic indices. Okay, this is what could happen with this not minor, just a small strategy, small and simple strategy, but it can do wonders. It can do wonders for traders like you and me who are longing for a profitable journey. Now, let me keep inviting you to learn more on how you can take such entries day in, day out on your trading journey. Day in, day out, join our Telegram group, the Traders Academy. That the link is going to be provided on down there. So please go subscribe, join yourself so that you can keep on learning these simple strategies on how you can benefit in the market. But not only these simple strategies, but we also offer free signals of gold, free signals of every day of gold. You can trade gold at your own time and your own pace. People are making a lot of profit. We are receiving a lot of witness on how they make it. So please, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being there. May God bless you. Love you. Keep safe. Trade safe. Thank you.